BIOS updates can alter how your Dell laptop detects hardware, leading to docking station malfunctions. The BIOS is the firmware that controls your laptop's basic functions, including hardware detection. The core issue stems from compatibility mismatches between the laptop's updated BIOS, the docking station's firmware, and device drivers. Firmware is the software embedded in the docking station, while drivers connect it to your operating system. This often results in the docking station failing to deliver power, peripherals not being recognized, or blank screens on connected monitors. In short, the system doesn't see the dock properly after the update. The BIOS controls the laptop's core functions, including how it communicates with the docking station via PCIe and USB-C protocols. Firmware is the embedded software within the docking station itself that manages its hardware operations and protocols. Device drivers bridge the gap between the operating system, like Windows, and the hardware components, enabling proper communication. Mismatches between BIOS, firmware, and drivers cause the dock to fail. Updating the dock's firmware after a BIOS update is crucial to maintain compatibility. First, before attempting manual fixes, utilize Dell's automated tools to check compatibility and apply updates automatically. Dell Command Update now includes AI-driven scans that identify BIOS docking mismatches and install compatible firmware updates automatically. Dell Support Assist is a free diagnostic tool that can quickly identify and resolve most docking station issues through automated fixes. Always run these automated tools first, as they resolve the majority of compatibility issues without manual intervention. If automated tools fail to resolve the docking station issue, proceed with manual updates to ensure compatibility. First, identify your current BIOS version using Dell's System ID tool. This information is crucial for selecting compatible updates. The System ID tool displays your laptop's BIOS version, as shown in this system information window for a Dell Latitude 7340 with BIOS version 1.18.0. Next, update your device drivers using Dell Command Update. This tool ensures all drivers are compatible with your current BIOS version. In Dell Command Update, check for critical, recommended, and optional updates. This example shows updates available for a Latitude 3400 laptop. Finally, update your docking station's firmware using the Dell Docking Station Manager application. This ensures the dock works correctly with your updated laptop. Download the Dell Docking Station Manager from Dell's official support website. Select the correct firmware for your specific docking station model, such as WD19, WD22TB, or WD23. Remember to download the latest versions only from Dell's official support website to ensure they match your specific docking station model. First, try a hard reset of the docking station. Unplug it from both power and the laptop for at least 30 seconds, then reconnect. This clears any temporary glitches. Next, check your BIOS settings. BIOS updates can change Thunderbolt security levels. Access BIOS by pressing F2 during boot, then disable and re-enable Thunderbolt security. For advanced troubleshooting, check Windows Device Manager for specific error codes that indicate driver issues with your Dell docking station. Common codes include code 10, which means the device isn't starting properly, and code 43, indicating a driver failure that has stopped the device. For more detailed diagnostic information, use Windows Event Viewer to examine system logs related to device errors. To resolve these issues, first uninstall the problematic driver in Device Manager. Then download and install the latest compatible driver from Dell's official support website. If issues persist after trying all steps above, contact Dell support to address your problem. Gather details about the specific issue, models, serial numbers, and steps you've taken to assist in resolving the problem. To prevent future docking station issues after BIOS updates, start by enabling automatic updates in your BIOS settings. This ensures your laptop stays current with compatible firmware without manual intervention. Keep Dell Command, Update, and Support Assist running regularly. These tools automatically scan for and install driver and firmware updates, maintaining compatibility between your BIOS, docking station, and operating system. Be aware of the trend toward modular hardware design. Modern docking stations rely on USB-C power delivery and Thunderbolt protocols, creating greater dependencies between BIOS firmware and docking station compatibility. Dell is moving toward AI-assisted troubleshooting and cloud-managed firmware ecosystems. This means future updates will be seamless, with docking stations self-diagnosing and patching via IoT connectivity, reducing the need for manual intervention.